Hi, my name is Morgan Lewis. I studied level 1, 2 and 3 at Engineering Technology at Canlyniadau, where I got a distinction grade. The main reason why I chose to study at Canlyniadau is because after I finished sixth form in school, I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I wanted a fresh start doing engineering technology and never look back after that. My plans after college are to go on to my apprenticeship with FSG, so I'm able to further my experience and knowledge with engineering. The highlight for me whilst at college of being nominated for Student of the Year from the engineering department, and thanks to the tutors I was able to achieve that, and also getting my apprenticeship with FSG, and thanks to the college I was actually able to achieve it. The thing I've enjoyed most about the college is the overall atmosphere. The relationship between the students and the tutors is amazing, and the tutors give excellent support with everything we need.